I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, June 6, 2025. Following the excitement of last year's first ever Mayor for the Day program, the City of Kingston is encouraging young leaders to apply for the experience in 2025. The selected grade 5 student will have the chance to engage in local happenings, including attending a meeting and an event, taking the mayor's seat in council chambers, and more. Interested students and their guardians should visit the Get Involved Kingston platform to learn more and apply, with applications due by Friday, June 13th at 4 p.m. Kingston Police are looking for witnesses to a fatal collision that closed Bath Road between Sir John A. Macdonald Boulevard and Portsmouth Avenue for nearly 5 hours this Wednesday. The driver, 25-year-old Sarah Juniper, was the driver that veered across Bath Road, crossing 2 lanes of oncoming traffic and the sidewalk, and then slamming into a low brick wall that edges an apartment building property, ultimately taking the life of a pedestrian. She was arrested on scene for impaired driving and appeared in court less than 24 hours after the incident. Learn more at kingstonist.com. Kingston Police have released updated details on a scam involving a family distracting elderly residents in order to steal the victim's jewelry. Police are advising residents to be on the lookout for a family consisting of a man, woman, and 2 to 3 children approaching elderly residents and asking for directions to local hospitals under the pretense of making a charitable donation. The suspects have been driving a light green Ford Edge, which appeared to have personalized license plates. Kingston Police have released the above image and are requesting for the public's assistance to locate the person pictured, 35-year-old Sarah. Police say that Sarah was last seen on Saturday, May 3, 2025 in the 400 block area of McDonald Street. Police describe Sarah as standing about 5'3" and weighing approximately 125 pounds with short dyed blonde hair and hazel eyes. Anyone with information is asked to contact Kingston Police at 613-549-4660. The OPP have provided an update on a missing person case, 26-year-old Tyrone. Police have now stated that Tyrone was last seen on Friday, May 30th, 2025 in the area of College Street and Spadina Avenue in Toronto. Anyone with information is asked to contact the OPP at 1-888-310-1122. The second giveaway day of 2025 will take place on Saturday, June 14th in the City of Kingston. Giveaway days provide an opportunity for residents to place unwanted household items out for others in the community who might be able to give them a second life and keep them out of a landfill. Just place items at the curb in front of your home and place stickers or signs on them with the word free. For more on these stories and other local news, visit kingstonist.com. Use my code SARAHB2025 for 10% off.